Hey guys, so I'm at the Ansan Highway rest stop, and they got this robot coffee. It's a robot arm from Doosan. Let's get some coffee because I need some coffee for the road. Let's get a touch screen. Let's get iced cafe latte. Use card. Let's go and use and we're gonna see the robot cafe. Robot making some coffee. Look at that. It's getting some ice. By the way, I'm using the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Using the raw mode in 4K. So it's making coffee. And it's 5001. Whoops. Ooh, look. It's got the shot of espresso and some milk. So I guess that the robot just hands you the cup, which is nice. I think it's almost done. There we go. It's still feeding some espresso. The robot iron. Okay, I think it's finally done. The robot is gonna bring my coffee carefully over. Ah! He spilled it. Splattered a little bit. There we go. Oh, it's coming out. Okay, here we go. Got a little cup for it. Pretty cool robot cafe. It's just sort of wasting energy. It's dancing, teasing people to come and bring some coffee. It's pretty cool, right? Anyway, see you guys on the next one.